Hi guys. This is your boy Mr. Cool. I think this is my third or fourth video that I'm gonna be uploading on YouTube. I've been lazy to upload on YouTube, but it only makes sense for me to come back stronger. So, guys, I just need your motivation on this one. Please like and subscribe. So I'm gonna be going through Euro AUD, and this is just how I go through the market, and I hope it's gonna help people or anyone who's interested in forex. So yeah, man. Obviously, this is how I start analyzing. I feel like everyone knows right now that when you want proper analysis, you need to start from the highest time frame, right? But usually, I think one mistake usually people make is they start on daily and they just pretend as there's no weekly, there's no monthly. I've been checking some things out, and most people will just say, no, let's just start on daily, let's just start on 4 hour. And it tends to confuse a lot of people because one, when we analyze, we are looking for the overall direction, right? So this is one of the things I've been working through. Obviously, with me, I'm a swing trader, so when I jump in the market, I just want to relax and continue with my life. Understand? So this is how I'm gonna be breaking out the market. So obviously, with me, I need to start on monthly so that I can understand the overall direction. So yeah, are we on monthly right now? So number one, you just need to know what trend, and number one, you need to understand which trend are you working with. Obviously, as we can see here, we're focusing on uptrend right now. So since it's September right now, if you're saying you're gonna sell Euro AUD, you'd be lying to yourself because you're not gonna make money, especially for someone like me who's a swing trader. Because right now, this is what I'm looking at, because I don't believe in this thing of no, I'm using this strategy to do this and that. If you know how to trade, if you open a chart, you'll easily see a certain pattern or whatever direction that you be focusing on right now. So what I'm seeing here, there's a head and shoulder that I'm seeing right now. So before I use my trend lines, breakouts and stuff, there's a head and shoulder that I'm seeing right now. We all know that if you're using a head and shoulder, it just shows you the overall direction that you need to take for a week, a month or two. Since I'm a swing trader, also using this strategy, even if you're a day trader, I feel like it's gonna work for you. So right now, as you guys can see, we have our head and shoulder, and on monthly, mind you, it's on monthly. So what we usually do as forever grateful forex traders, this is how I start my analysis. Okay, number one, I've just identified that the trend is an uptrend, so there's no way I'm gonna be selling. I need to buy. I need to find opportunities to buy because that's where I'm gonna make a lot of money. So number one, we have our uptrend tick. Lucky enough, we just got a pattern inside the trend, which is a head and shoulder. It's another a solid identification that we are gonna go up, right? So this is how, if I find an opportunity to get a pattern like this, which is a head and shoulders, this is how I analyze this situation. Number one, if you have a head and shoulder, you need to have a neckline, right? This is the most important one. You need to have a neckline. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna erase this head and shoulders and then use a line chart. A line chart is more specific on the trend lines, from your rejections, from where it touches and rejects, from the breakouts. So my advice to you guys, if you get a pattern, just make sure you use a line chart, which is this one, and then just draw your trend lines, or just mark your rejections. See, when the market touches here, it rejects. You see, we have a strong resistance right here. We have a strong support right here. So number one, you need to have a neckline. Your neckline is very important. Your neckline is very important. Let me just go back quickly on my thingy. So I'm gonna draw my diagonal line. I'm gonna have my neckline, which I'll use it as my support, and then my resistance will be the highest of all highs. Mind you, I'm still on monthly, guys. I'm still on monthly. So now I'm gonna go back to my candles, remove my head and shoulder, and then go back to weekly. We're still in trend. We're still in trend. As you guys can see now, it broke just above here. But when you try to enter this, just make sure you have a confirmation of an engulfing. Engulfing candlestick is very important, guys. It's very important. So one thing most people make is when immediately the market touches here, people just want to buy. That's one mistake on how people lose money. You don't do that. You just wait for a rejection. The most important thing is to wait for a rejection. When a rejection, I'm talking about something like this. You need to have a candlestick like this. When we talk about rejection, we need to have a candlestick like this, guys. A candlestick like this for a rejection. You need to have a candlestick like this on the downside, so that you know that, okay, right now I'm in a good position of buying. If it doesn't reject, obviously it's gonna break down below. Now you're gonna be losing money out of small mistakes. Remember, we're swinging right now, so whatever that's gonna happen here will give me a confirmation of, am I buying or do I have an opportunity to sell? If it breaks down below, I do have an opportunity to sell. If it breaks down below, going down, I do have an opportunity to sell. But right now what I'm saying is go with the trend, not against the trend, right? So one thing we're gonna be working on right now, we move to weekly. As you guys can see, Euro AG is going down right now, so we're gonna be waiting for whatever confirmation that we're gonna get from here. As soon as it rejects, this is where we're going to buy. So looking at this right now, this is where I'm gonna take my profit. This is my weekly time frame, mind you. Let's move back to daily. Okay, let me just do this quickly. So guys, I feel like you can do this even on smaller time frames, but it just makes more sense trading on a higher time frame, because you don't have to be on the markets daily, you don't have to check the charts full time. You just need to jump on the market and then focus on the other things that you want to do. As you guys can see here, it did break out on the downside, so I'm hoping it's gonna come back and test. But if you want to play it safe, since we're seeing that the market has been going up and rejecting, so this would be some sort of your take profit. This would be your target. This would be your target, and then just move your stop loss just closer to it. We have your ratio of 1:3, which is good profit, which is good trading. You can't complain. We're still on weekly. On daily, it just makes more sense. Let me just do this quickly. On daily, it just makes more sense. As soon as we get a rejection from here, we have to buy. It just makes sense. We have to buy. So this would be our realistically target. But as you guys can see, we're chasing this high. We're chasing the other high. So we have your TP1, TP2, TP3, right? Remember, with this one, it came to this high. It came to this high. It swept from this and created a new high. So with this one, we need a rejection from here so that it pushes to the upper high. Remember, we're still on an uptrend, guys. On the highest time frame, which is my monthly, we're still on an uptrend. So it just makes more sense to look for buying opportunities. From here, as you guys can see, it did break out and then it tested from here. From here, we're still on our on our support. From here, it did go up and then it took out this high, which was the previous high. And then now our main focus is for us to take out this previous high. You understand? So our target would be, this is our first take profit. second take profit, and then this is our last take profit. I feel like this thing is very easy, guys. We just make this thing very, 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 very hard for ourselves. Just follow the rules. Number one, check on your highest time frame. If it makes sense on monthly, do it. If it makes sense on weekly, do it. If it makes sense on daily, do it. Right? Just find a proper trend. Here we just got an uptrend. We moved to the lowest time frames. Right? So if we move on in 4 hours, this just makes more sense also because we see that we have a consolidation over here. So right now my focus is on daily, looking for this rejection right here. We see there's a correction happening right here, and then we're waiting for impulse. Simple, guys. This is your AUT. I feel like next week it's gonna make more sense. So yeah, guys, see, now the chart is still clean. Hopefully by the time I come back, we come back with more blues. Guys, this is your boy Mr. Cool. Please subscribe, guys, for more videos. I've been patient. I just need that motivation to post more videos on this one. So on a daily, I'm gonna be posting at least 1 or 2 videos. If you guys subscribe, obviously, I'm just gonna be doing a market breakdown of whatever pair that I see an opportunity on. Hopefully we grow together, guys. Please follow me on my social pages. I do have an Instagram. I am on TikTok with the same Forever Grateful Forex name. So yeah, guys, hopefully I can have more of you guys trading and swinging and chilling.